Go to starbase.onshape.com and log in with your username and password. Go to your Documents listing, and today we'll be working with the Starbase Space Station dash, and then it'll be your student number. So click on that file name to open the Starbase Space Station. First thing to do is click on the Space Station Assembly tab. All right, and if yours isn't already loaded, it may take a little while to load. We will be working to help Marigold find the damaged components and replace them. So go ahead and zoom and spin, and you might see some broken components. For example, there is a broken solar panel. So the first step is to right-click on that solar panel. In the menu, we'll find Replace Damaged Solar Panel. And a little box opens, and we need to select the replacement component that's in original condition. So use the slider bar to go all the way down to the bottom where it says Original Solar Panel. Click on the arrow to open that. And there's the part. Select the original solar panel. And now you see there is an undamaged solar panel attached to our space station. Click the green check mark to finish. Continue on to find the two other damaged parts and use the same procedure to replace the damaged parts. Next, we'll learn how to add new parts to the space station. First, we'll add a new main unit workspace. We'll be adding it opposite to these habitation units. So let's move this down a little ways. We'll be adding to this end. So in the toolbar, find Insert. And scroll down until you find Main Unit Workspace. Click on that. All right. And click to set it down in your workspace. There we go. Now left-click the green checkbox to exit the Insert dialog box. To add additional parts, we'll be using mate connectors. This is a mate connector point, this Pac-Man shape. In the toolbar, you'll see different connection mates. There's the fasten mate, which we'll be using today. And this is a fastened mate dialog box. In that box, there's an arrow to flip the direction of the part 180 degrees. And there's also a button that can spin the part. Now, click on Fastened Mate in the toolbar. And right here is a fastened mate. So let's zoom in on the end here, and we're going to rotate it a little bit. There we go. So on our main unit workspace, this little Pac-Man shape is called a mate connector. So we need to click on that. And now we need to go Let's zoom out and find our space station. Slide that over to the middle. I'm going to zoom in where I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to rotate that a little bit so you can see the Pac-Man shape there. Again, that's called the mate connector, and you click on that. And now your part is fastened. And you can click the green check mark to finish. All right, let's do a zoom to fit and see what it looks like. There it is. Spin it around. Now you have a much bigger workstation. Now let's look at other units we can add to our space station. There's the main unit workspace. We've added one of those. There's a habitation unit, a geodome, a junction, solar panels, and an engine bell. Let's go ahead and add some more parts to our space station. So let's go up to the toolbar, select Insert. Let's look at the parts. How about we insert a junction and make an even larger space station? All right, I'm going to set it down in my work area. And then I close Insert. Now I'll need to zoom in. First, in the toolbar, click on your fastened mate. Then, click on the Pac-Man shape on the junction. And then, let's zoom out. And we want to put that, let's say, right on here. There's our Pac-Man shape, and click. And now it's fastened. It looks like it might be going the wrong way, so we're going to use this little arrow to flip the part. There we go. Now if we zoom out, we can see that it has been connected correctly. So maybe so you can see that a little better, I'll click on that arrow again. So if your part looks a little bit strange once it's fastened, try clicking the arrow to change its direction. Now click the green checkbox and it's added. So go ahead and keep adding a bunch of parts to build an awesome space station.